We have a very special session up this hour. Dr. Will Morris is going to be speaking on the subject of research in medical astrology. He's more than qualified on this topic. He's got 2 PhDs, one of which focuses on medical practice. He's got a long history as an expert in Oriental medicine, both teaching and in practice, but he's also been an astrologer most of his life. So he is that rare combination. So I'm leaving you in good hands with Dr. Will Morris.
Thanks, Courtney. Thanks so much for having me here, and thank you for everyone for participating. Let's start with some diurnal factors that affect health. And let's see here. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is diurnal and seasonal molecular rhythms in human neocortex and their relation to Alzheimer's disease. So the bottom line here is epigenetic factors influencing aggravations in Alzheimer's disease based on diurnal rhythms, but also seasonal rhythms. And so we can see this. I don't know if any of you have ever dealt with people with Alzheimer's, but oftentimes just after sunset, there can be a kind of a losing it or kind of a falling apart. So I'll just read this. Circadian and seasonal rhythms are seen in many species, modulate several aspects of human physiology, including brain functions such as mood and cognition, and influence many neurological and psychiatric illnesses. Well, now, what did they just say? Circadian and seasonal. What they just said is that daily and annual rhythms affect all of these features. However, there are few data regarding the genome scale molecular correlates underlying these rhythms, especially in the human brain. So there's any expression of a feeling that one might have has a genomic rhythm underneath. So these gene expressions taking place in the brain show their parallel relationship with the rhythms of epigenetic modification, including histone acetylation, which is essentially DNA expression in neural tissues, and DNA methylation, which is tied very closely with vitamin D, and so here in the background, there's actually probably an assumption taking place that vitamin D could be a factor for these people. Well, what is that? That's a solar ray expression. Sun expression, sun therapy, getting out and getting sun therapy. So different parts of the year are going to have some impacts upon this.